rainy season, or it is popularly called as monsoon season, is a time to rejoice in India, especially in the Deccan Plateau of South India, where it rains heavily during the monsoon period, which starts from June to October, and it's a hit and miss. It rains heavily some years, and some years it does not rain. Out of 10 years, probably 8 years would be deficient rainfall. But in the years when the rainfall is excess, all the man-made lakes will be full and they overflow, and people flock these lakes to enjoy the views. And this is called as a Ramasagara lake. The overflow from the tank lake goes to the next lake, and thus it just gets interconnected between lakes. And if that lake overflows, then it goes to a river called as Kolar river.